Hello, everyone. Welcome to Emily.RPA Academy, the easiest general-purpose RPA tutorial channel to get started. In this video, we will introduce how to use the idle tool. When browsing a web page, sometimes you need to wait for the web page to complete certain actions, such as waiting for ChatGPT to respond, waiting for search results, or waiting for a loading screen to finish, etc. When we manually handle these steps, we wait in front of the computer until the results appear. The same applies to Emily. During the training process of automation, it also needs to wait when encountering the scenarios we just mentioned. How do we set up idle? We open training mode and go to Emily's documentation page. After loading, try clicking on other sections. After clicking, you will see a green loading animation. Click Idle on the middle right side. Enter a number to set the waiting seconds, and then click OK to confirm. This way, you can prevent Emily from proceeding to the next step while the screen is still loading. Once everything is confirmed to be working correctly, you can give the skill a name and then upload it. If you want to adjust the waiting time in the future, you can also modify this skill. Click on the skill you just created, find the idle part and click on it. Then, select the third last option, Tweak, where you can change the number of seconds for the wait. This is the content of this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or post a question on the official forum. Thank you. We will see you next time.